Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be out at a local jetty and a beach close to where I live, just to show you how Hurricane Helene is impacting us here on the east coast of Florida. We're definitely not getting the center of it, like Tallahassee and Perry and Cedar Key, those areas up in the Big Bend. But we're definitely seeing some pretty strong winds, 40 plus miles an hour, some pretty high surf. And if you remember back in 2004, when we had Hurricane Francis and Hurricane Jean, they were back to back about 2 weeks apart. And I actually went through the eye of them in Jensen Beach back when I lived over there. And then in 2005, we had Hurricane Wilma and many others since. We had Hurricane Matthew. We got most of Hurricane Irma in 2017. So we've been through quite a few of them. And you know how much damage they can do, how much cost they bring to the city, and how much work it is to get the power back on. I mean, I know what it's like to go without power for more than a week, without air conditioning, and it's still hot out in the middle of September. So we're gonna head out to the jetty and the beach, and I'm gonna give you a little glimpse of what it's doing here on the East Coast, so you have an idea. Even though we're on the very eastern side of the storm, on the outside, we're just getting those outer bands coming through. There's definitely some pretty good downpours, and like I said, a good amount of wind. So hopefully you stay tuned and watch what it's like out here, and I'll see you out there. Doesn't look too bad here in the inlet. I'm gonna walk out to the end of the jetty in a minute and see what the waves are doing. Pretty big waves here at the beach. Want to be caught out there in that surf. There's one guy out here body surfing. Man, this wind is crazy out here. Look at these waves. Not even getting the worst of the storm. Look how crazy the surf gets. Woo-hoo-hoo. Now I'm wet. Man, these waves are nuts. Jetty. Gotta be careful out here. My shoes are already soaked. Oh man. I saw the waves on the jetty webcam. I didn't think it'd be this bad. I probably shouldn't have worn socks. people out here fishing too. Crazy surf. Whoa. There it is. Waves this big here in a long time. Getting soaked. It's all worth it though, just to show you guys what the storm's doing over here. Right after I wiped the camera too. Yeah, that's a big wave. Yeah, so you can see how far away we are from the storm and how crazy the surf is out here and the wind. Oh man. Man, I'm soaked. Yeah, I definitely should not have worn socks out here. That was a bad idea. Maybe some rain will come through in a little bit. We'll see what that looks like too. Wow. These are 10 to 12 foot waves easily. That's crazy. We got incoming tide too. It's gonna get even worse. Over to a different beach because there's a big rain band coming through and I wanted to see what it was doing over here a little bit south of that jetty I was at. All right, let's go. Huge surf out here. Sorry if it's hard to hear me with this wind, it's pretty crazy. I'm kind of out of it right here, so it's not too bad. Once I get out here, it's gonna get a little stronger. Erosion. Wow. Look at that. It's like a 5-foot drop. I've never seen it this bad here, this erosion. Can't even enjoy this beach right now. This is a beach that my wife and I come to all the time. Can't even get down to the water without dropping down 5 or 6 feet. Look at that. I think that rain band's just missing me right out there. That is awful erosion.